All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about data validation. And with this kind of data validation, we want to have some hierarchy in that when I choose Kenya, I want to see only the towns in Kenya. If I choose Uganda from the country name, I only want to see the towns in Uganda. The same to Mozambique and Zambia. These are the list of countries that I have from Kenya all the way to Zambia. So to do this, first thing, we're going to name our ranges. So we're going to highlight the list of towns that we have in Kenya, and then we're going to name this on the name box. You can type Kenya, like you can see, I've typed Kenya, press enter. Do the same to Uganda, highlight the towns in Uganda, and then on the name box, you name Uganda. Press enter, go to Mozambique, do the same thing, name the towns Mozambique. Then lastly, do the same to Zambia, and then press enter. So after naming your ranges, we want to perform some data validation on where we have this country name. This is cell D16. We want to create some kind of a drop down here, in that when you click on the drop down, you'll be able to see the list of countries. So that is Kenya all the way to Zambia. So I'm going to go to data validation and data validation. Then I'm going to choose a list as the validation criteria. Then the source, I'm going to highlight the list of countries that I have here. So that is my list of countries. All right. So when I click my drop down here, you can see Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, or Zambia. You can choose either. Then I need to see the country name here. This is where the problem is, because with the country name, if I've chosen the country Kenya, I will only need to see the towns in Kenya. So in this case, we are going to use a function called indirect. So go to data, then data validation, and then we'll be able to choose lists. And where we have the source, we want to key in a function right here where we have the source. So we're going to have equal sign and then indirect. And then indirect, you're going to reference cell D16 where we have the country names. Right. Then, okay. So when I choose Kenya, like in the case here, this is country Kenya. If you look at the list of drop down, I will only be able to see the countries in Kenya. That is Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, and Nakuru. In case I choose another country, let's say Uganda, on the list of drop down here, I'll be given the towns in Nakuru, that is Kampala, all the way to Mbale. That is how you can do an hierarchy, or that performs a kind of an hierarchy where the data has got that parent-child relationship when it comes to data validation. Thank you, and consider subscribing if the content is of interest to you.